There's over 100 exhibitors alone here, but one of the most eye-catching spaces belongs to Grady-White, a staple in the coastal fishing boat sector for over 60 years. Grady-White's instantly recognizable and ruggedly elegant look carries through to their newest addition in the line, the Freedom 345, which is making its world debut here at the Convention Center for the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. Built on their award-winning CV2 hull, which provides the softest and driest ride available, the new 33-foot dual console is packed with flagship features cleverly reimagined to be delivered in a smaller package. The 345 has over a foot of extra width in the beam, and that means a lot more internal volume. And what have they done with it? Well, a lot, I can tell you. We've got dual side doors, so that means it's no longer here, and that means everything at the back here is storage, including this refrigerated locker right here. There's a wet bar with a grill, and my favorite part, an aft-facing double lounger, but at just the push of a button, it retracts to make one lounger, one seat, even more space here in the cockpit. Smart design by Grady-White. There's lounging and dining space, a cabin with a double berth, and a full wet head, all finished to the standard that you would expect to see on a yacht. I've had the privilege of spending a lot of time with the folks at Grady-White, and I just love their philosophy. They genuinely listen to their customers. They were telling me a wonderful story about a gentleman who had his favorite spot on his boat but was missing a cup holder. They went ahead, fitted one for him, and then all those models they built moving forward had a cup holder there. So that's it. It's the small things there that matter.